High in the forests of Scalesia on Santa Cruz Island, there exists a small bird with a unique color that is found nowhere else in the world. This is the little Vermilion flycatcher of Galápagos, and now it's breeding season.
Soy David Anchundia, científico de la Fundación Charles Darwin. Trabajo en el proyecto Conservación de Aves Terrestres. El pequeño pájaro brujo es una especie endémica de Galápagos. Es un ave muy carismática por su colorido plumaje.
Males display a striking red and black coloration, while females are yellow and brown, blending seamlessly into their surroundings, an essential adaptation to protect their nest during the breeding season. These birds inhabit a variety of ecosystems across the Galápagos. However, they are more commonly found in humid and transition zones, where food is more abundant. The diet consists exclusively of invertebrates, caterpillars, moths, spiders, and other insects, including flies and mosquitoes, making them a vital part of the island's delicate food web. During this nesting period, finding food is of the utmost importance. However, it's not an easy task. Yet, despite their adaptability, the little Vermilion flycatcher faces a serious threat. Habitat degradation disrupts their food source and discourages nesting. The blackberry plant invades the Scalesia forest, and due to its density and thorns, it does not allow the little Vermilion flycatcher to capture insects on the ground, making feeding and reproduction even more challenging. But perhaps their greatest challenge comes from a deadly invader, the Philornis Downsi's fly, an avian parasite that poses severe risk to the nestings.
Las moscas depositan los huevos en los nidos donde hay pichones. Al salir las larvas, estas larvas parasitan de dos formas. Primero internamente, metiéndose dentro de las narinas y las partes auriculares del pichón, y después, cuando estas hayan crecido y no alcanzan en estas cavidades, bajan a la base del nido y se encuentran alimentándose externamente todas las noches. Es de ahí que parte el nombre común de esta especie, que es la mosca vampiro aviar.
Alongside the Charles Darwin Foundation and Galápagos National Park, conservationists are working tirelessly to restore critical habitats, improving nesting succession rates for these birds on Santa Cruz Island. These efforts are proven to be highly effective. More nests are being built, and each year more fledglings are taken to the skies. With continued success, experts hope the population of the little Vermilion flycatcher in Santa Cruz will double in the coming years. All these efforts are focused on increasing the population of the little Vermilion flycatcher within the archipelago. Breeding season lasts from December to late April, when temperatures rise and the heavy rains provide optimal conditions for reproduction. Once a pair forms, the male woos his mate with food symbol courtships, gifts before the mating. The female then takes full responsibility for the nesting construction, carefully weaving soft materials including feathers, moss, animal hairs into a cozy incubated chamber. Once the nest is complete, she lays 2 to 3 eggs, and the incubation begins. During this period, the male digitally provides food, allowing the female to stay in the nest for longer periods. Remarkably, most hatchlings that emerge successfully reach adulthood. Each year, a significant number of young birds join the population. indicating a high survival rate. The fledglings are almost ready to leave the nest. If they can fly, they can find food on their own, something their parents well know. That is why they give them one last meal. It's time to leave the nest. And for the parents to start a new family. This year has marked one of the best breeding seasons for the little Vermilion flycatcher on Santa Cruz. So far, 8 successful nests have been recorded, with 6 active nests containing chicks, and 16 fledglings have already joined the wild populations. A monumental achievement. Experts estimate that by the end of the season, as many as 30, 35, or even 40 young birds could become part of the growing population. There is hope that these birds will reclaim their place in Santa Cruz.